Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's video, we are going to be talking about cleaning, or more precisely, how to clean your sex toys. But before we get into it, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you're gonna need to click that subscribe button. Cleaning your sex toys is super important. Now, why, you might ask? Well, the answer is really simple. It is hygienic and it prolongs the life of your toy. So there really is no excuse not to clean your sex toys. Ideally, you should be cleaning your sex toys after every single use and before you use them as well if they haven't been stored in a hygienic separate container. Now, you can use unscented soap and warm water and then leave your toy to air dry, but we recommend using a special sex toy cleaner because they've been formulated to work perfectly alongside sex toys. First up, we have the Lovehoney Fresh Spray. This is available in two different sizes, this smaller 100ml bottle or a larger 250ml one to choose from. The Fresh Spray is super easy to use. All you need to do is remove the cap and give your toy a spritz, then leave it to dry. That is literally it. It's really simple, so there's no excuse not to clean your toys. When you leave your toys to dry, just a top tip, leave them on some kitchen roll and then throw the kitchen roll away when you are done. Next up, we have a travel-friendly, biodegradable option in the form of the Lovehoney Fresh Wipes. Now, these are not only suitable for your sex toys, but they're also good for your skin as well. So they're toy and body wipes, so technically you're getting two products in one. Now, these wipes are packed with natural cleansing ingredients, and as I mentioned before, they're also biodegradable, so kinder to the planet as well. The next product I've got for you is falling off my lap. The next product I've got for you is another spray cleaner, but this time it's by Sliquid and it's their natural shine spray. It comes in this beautiful packaging. I absolutely love the design. It's completely cruelty-free and vegan and made with natural ingredients. All you need to do is spritz this on your sex toy and then rinse it with warm water and leave to dry. Now, this spray is particularly good because it's non-greasy, non-odored, and it won't leave any residue. It's also made in America. Now, quite often, specific sex toy brands might make a specific sex toy cleaner to go with their toys, and that is the case for Fleshlight. You can get Fleshlight spray, and you can also get this Fleshlight Renewer powder as well. Now, I know this is a cleaning video and this technically isn't a cleaning product, but it kind of loosely falls under the umbrella. After you've cleaned your Fleshlight or masturbator, keep it silky, soft and smooth by sprinkling a little bit of this Fleshlight powder on and working it on the inside as well. Now, just because it's made by Fleshlight doesn't mean you exclusively have to use it on Fleshlight toys. Anything that's made from that real feel, super supple cyber skin will benefit from a sprinkle of Fleshlight Renewer powder. Now, there are tons of different Renewer powders on the market and they're all made in a similar way using the same natural ingredients. So there you have it. Either use unscented soap and water or opt for specialist products like sprays or wipes, and then finish with appropriate finishing products like the Fleshlight Renewer powder. Let's just go over one more time the importance of keeping things clean. If something is going near your intimate area, it's important that it is hygienic and bacteria-free, which is why cleaning is so important. Do it after each and every use and before as well, and you won't go wrong. And that's particularly important if you're someone that likes to share their toys. If you have a cleaning technique that perhaps I've missed, please pop your techniques in the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you never want to miss another one, hit the subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait till next week for another video, then don't worry because there's one coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!